Look, you don't need to be technical. You don't even need to have years worth of experience. You don't even need to understand how AI actually works. What you need is a system. Because right now, while you're watching this, someone with zero experience just closed their first AI deal worth $5,000. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they did it. Now, let me be real with you. This is not some theory that I just cooked up. This is the exact playbook that Leanne used to close 70k a month. Luke's doing 40k a month. Osha's doing 30k a month. All starting from nothing. I'm Mike Scully, and I've helped dozens of people leave their 9 to 5 by using AI. Not by becoming some coding expert or prompt engineer, but by solving real business problems that companies will throw money at. Here's what we're covering. The exact 5-step system that I use and my students use to land a high-paying AI client in just the next 30 days. No BS theory, just what works right now in the market. And honestly, you could even start this today. Step 1 is to find the pain that nobody else is solving. Most people think AI is about chatbots and fancy prompts. That's not it at all. The real money? Finding businesses drowning in manual work, then showing them how AI fixes it in minutes, not hours. Now here's how you solve these gold mines. Look for businesses doing 3 things manually: data entry and spreadsheet hell, customer service responses, content creation at scale. And to give you a real life example, it could be a property agent writing 3 or 4 hours worth of property descriptions every single day. They hate it, it's boring, and honestly, they suck at it. But imagine you could write them those descriptions in 30 seconds using AI. That's a $2,000 a month problem that you just solved. Step 2 is packaging it like a real business. This is where most people mess up completely. They think I'll charge $50 to write some AI content, and that's completely wrong. You're not selling content, you're not selling prompts, you're actually selling a business transformation. The framework is simple. You find a pain, solve it, package it, sell it. Back to a real estate example. You don't say, I'll write property descriptions with AI. Instead, you say something like this: I'll build a system that creates professional listings, getting 40% more inquiries in under 60 seconds. Look at the difference there. One sounds like a gig, the other sounds like you're saving their business. This isn't a $200 service anymore. This is a 3 to 5k business transformation. And once you sell it to one client, you can sell it to literally every real estate agent in your city, because they're all going to need it or else they get left behind. Step 3 is building proof without clients. But Mike, how do I get proof with 0 clients? Great question, and here's exactly what you do. Pick 3 businesses in your target market. Build a solution for free. Yes, I said it, free. I call this the proof sprint. 1 week, 3 businesses, 3 solutions. Document that whole process. Show them the before and after. Get video testimonials from that. And now you have 3 case studies proving that your systems work. Step 4 is setting up your client acquisition machine. Here's where everyone screws up. It's finding clients. So you need to forget cold calling, forget begging on social media. And I'll tell you what actually works, and it's 3 tools. Apollo for leads, Instantly for emails, Framer for your landing page. The first thing you need to do is search businesses within your niche with 10 to 50 employees. Big enough to have pain, small enough to make quick decisions. Export 100 contacts, but here's the key. Don't pitch in the first email. Send them something valuable instead. A quick audit, a quick tip, a case study from their industry. After that, when they're then interested and you've proved your worth, you can then get them on a booked call and sell them to your higher ticket services. Step 5 is closing the deal with confidence. I'll tell you the exact sales conversation that closes high ticket deals. Don't start by selling your service or explaining it. Start by understanding their situation. Ask them a question like, what's your biggest operational headache right now? Then you be quiet and let them talk. The more they talk about the pain, the more they want your solution. Then you can say something like, I've actually solved this problem before for XYZ, and here's what we did. Then you can go ahead and show them your case study. Walk through those results, make it real and tangible for them, and let them know, based on their situation and their issues, you can solve this problem for them. And it'll cost 3 to 5 grand or whatever that price that you set is. And funny enough here, you didn't have to explain AI. You didn't have to talk prompts or technical garbage. You focused on their problem and a proven solution. Let me be real with you one more time. We're over halfway through 2025 and it's not the year to be sleeping on AI. While you're thinking about it, someone else is doing it. They're taking action. While you're learning more, someone else is earning more. You have everything you need right now. Pick a niche, find the pain, build proof and get clients. There's no reason why you can't hit between 5 and 20k per month in the next 6 months. This system works, you just gotta run it. Now I created an AI playbook that you can actually get in the description. Or if you want to just accelerate this whole process and work with me one-to-one and see if you're a good fit for my program, book a link down below and I'll speak to you on that. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, take care.